Alright guys, it's time to take a look to the layer 3 Etherchannel practice with you. We have two steps to accomplish. In the first step, we need to configure the layer 3 Etherchannel configuration for the figure above. And we are gonna use switch 1 port channel IP 1041.20.1 and 20.2 will be for switch 2. And we need to specify the channel group modes. Okay, and second, we need to run the command show Etherchannel summary after the layer 3 Etherchannel, and we are gonna see what's going on. Alright, let's start with the first step. I'm opening my packet tracer and I have two switches, as you can see. I'm in switch 1 and I'm gonna configure a layer 3 Etherchannel. To configure a layer 3 Etherchannel, what I'm gonna do is first I need to go to the interface fast Ethernet interface fast Ethernet 01. I'm gonna type no switch port. I'm doing this to define a layer 3 option to this port, and I'm disabling the switch port feature first. Then I'm gonna define the channel group. Channel group 1 mode. Let's say this site will be active. I'm gonna make the same configuration for fast Ethernet 02 and channel group 1 mode active. Okay, what I did, let's check it. I disabled the switch port features first for fast Ethernet 01 and fast Ethernet 02. Then I choose a channel group mode, which is active for this site. Remember that to create a ether channel between these two devices, I need to choose a proper channel group mode for this site too. So, for example, if I choose the passive mode for this site, I can also create an ether channel. So this site will be passive, and because I choose the active on this site. Alright, I'm gonna go to switch 2 and I'm gonna use the same commands for fast Ethernet 01 and 2. Then I'm gonna show you how we are defining the IP addresses. But first, let's do the same thing on switch 2. Okay, I'm in switch 2 right now. This time I'm gonna use the range command because I'm doing the same thing for both ports. No switch port. Channel group 1 mode will be passive. Alright, active and passive creates the ether channel, as you remember. Okay, I choose the proper channel modes too, and what I'm gonna use this time is I need to assign the IP addresses. Okay, for switch 1 port channel, I'm gonna use 20.1, and for switch 2, I'm gonna use the 20.2. So let's do it. Switch 1, and I'm creating the port channel 1, and I'm assigning my IP 20.1. Okay, let's go to other side and assign the 20.2 to the port channel. Switch 2. Okay. port channel 1, IP address 20.2, 255.0. Alright, let's try to ping the other side if we can ping or not. Okay, ping is going to the other side, as you can see that. So I think we accomplished the first step, guys. That's okay. The second step we need to go is we are gonna run the show Etherchannel summary command. Okay, I'm gonna go to switch 1 and I'm gonna run the show Etherchannel summary command and I'll see what I'm seeing. Okay, switch 1, show Etherchannel summary. So let's say that what this command is saying to me. Alright, in here I can see that we have a port channel created on the switch and we are using LACP protocol. The ports that I bundled into my port channel are Fast Ethernet 01 and Fast Ethernet 02, and P means that they are bundled in the port channel. What I'm seeing in this here RU is, R means this is a layer 3 port channel and U means port channel is in use. So that shows us our configuration is pretty successful. Alright guys, we are coming to the end of this session too, and thanks for viewing.